Good morning, YouTube. Me and Elena just woke up. It's a rainy day today. They sent me the job. I am only doing 130 miles, which is definitely not a lot. It might be like 70 bucks. I don't know. I do have a pickup, so I'm pretty confident that they are effing me right now. But honestly, I'm about to leave this account, so I don't really mind it. All right, we're gonna go head out now to pick up our load. All right, guys, we're here picking up the load. Let's go. I'm gonna show you guys where I pick up the paperwork. It's inside this little office. All you do is go in, ask for your paperwork, and then you just leave. It has the trailer number on there and everything. Awesome, thank you. Paperwork. I'm gonna go brush my teeth now and we'll head out. All right, guys, we're picking up a Remix today, not a freezer. All right, we're here at our first stop, but it's pouring outside, so I have to run around to the doors and get in there as soon as I can. All right, Lena, tell us where we're at right now.
We're at Walmart.
We're at Walmart. We're waiting for them to open up the trailer. Okay, so I'm not dropping this trailer. They're gonna live load me because my other trailer wasn't ready, so they're just gonna make me wait here until it gets full. And I'm just gonna continue on with my normal day. So I'm gonna give my dispatcher a call, make sure that this is actually what they want me to do. If not, I'll just head back right now.